Imagine a world where machines could think like us, feel like us, and even understand us, a dream so bold that it was once considered science fiction. But this dream began not with code or circuits, but with a question asked in the middle of a world at war. Can machines think? That single question, posed by a brilliant mind named Alan Turing, sparked a revolution, one that would take us from dusty war rooms to today's intelligent machines that finish our sentences, paint our dreams, and even hold conversations like a human. This is the story of artificial intelligence. The story of artificial intelligence isn't just about machines. It's about humanity's endless curiosity, its obsession with replicating itself, and its dream to make the inanimate come alive. It began in the 1940s with Alan Turing, the father of modern computing. During World War II, Turing developed the bomb machine to break the German Enigma code, saving millions of lives. But it was after the war that Turing asked the real question that would define a century. Can machines think? His famous Turing test, proposed in 1950, wasn't just a scientific idea, it was a philosophical challenge. If a machine could talk like a human without being recognized as a machine, should we call it intelligent? As the decades passed, scientists, mathematicians, and dreamers chased that question. In the 1950s and 60s, the term artificial intelligence was officially born at the Dartmouth conference. Early pioneers like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Alan Turing built symbolic AI systems that could play games, solve algebra, and mimic reasoning. Computers could now follow logic, but they still couldn't understand the real world like humans. By the 1970s, expectations outpaced reality. Funding dropped. The dream of AI faded into what became known as the AI winter, a time when people stopped believing in the promise. But the flame never truly died. In the background, silent progress continued. By the 1980s and 90s, machine learning emerged. Instead of hand-coding intelligence, researchers began training machines to learn from data. Then came the 2000s, the age of big data and neural networks. AI wasn't just theoretical anymore. It was being used to recommend your next movie, recognize your voice, and suggest what to buy. Google, Amazon, and Facebook started investing heavily. Deep learning, especially convolutional neural networks, revolutionized image and speech recognition. But the biggest shift came in 2017 with a single research paper by Google Brain titled "Attention is All You Need." This introduced the transformer architecture, which would become the foundation of today's language models. And in 2020, OpenAI shocked the world with GPT-3, a model capable of writing poems, essays, code, even pretending to be Shakespeare or Einstein. For the first time, a machine wasn't just giving answers, it was generating original content. Then came ChatGPT, a conversational version of GPT fine-tuned to talk like us, reason like us, and even surprise us. With over 100 million users, in just a few months, ChatGPT became the fastest-growing tech in history. It wasn't just a tool, it was a cultural moment. Classrooms debated it. Writers feared it. Coders used it. Kids played with it. And through it all, AI finally passed the Turing test, not just by logic, but by capturing human imagination. Yet the journey isn't over. As AI grows, so do the questions. Should machines have rights? Can they become conscious? Where does human intelligence end and artificial begin? From war rooms to chat windows, from punched cards to neural nets, from Alan Turing to ChatGPT, the story of AI is still being written. And the most powerful chapter might still be ahead.